Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print a packing slip on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and print a packing slip on eBay. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to click on sell, and then once you're on this page here, you want to click on all orders, and then you want to find the orders which you want to go ahead and print a packing slip for. So we're just going to go ahead, right now this is blurred out, but we're going to click on these three dots next to this order right over here. And then once you click on those three dots, you'll see that there's an option to go ahead and print a packing slip and more. So if you click on print packing slip, you'll actually see that you have a checkbox where you can print out the packing slip, order receipt, or address label. So go ahead and click on print, and then just go ahead and save it onto your computer, and then go ahead and print it out again. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print a packing slip from eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.